Welcome to our guide to the best dual-fuel generators, the versatile backup power solutions that give you the flexibility of running on gasoline or propane, longer run times, and peace of mind whether you're camping, working off-grid, or keeping your home powered through outages. Dual-fuel models combine convenience and reliability. Gasoline for easy refueling and propane for cleaner, longer storage, and smoother long-term standby. In this video, we'll walk through several standout dual-fuel options, highlight the features that matter most, like starting watts, running watts, inverter versus conventional design, runtime, noise, portability, and transfer-ready features, and help you decide which generator fits your needs. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started and find the right dual-fuel generator for you. If you're looking for a dependable all-round portable solution with solid starting power and broad household usefulness, consider the Champion Power Equipment 4750-watt dual-fuel portable generator. Champion's 4750 peak starting watts and roughly 3,800 running watts on gasoline, with slightly different ratings on propane, make it capable of handling essentials during outages: refrigerators, sump pumps, a few circuits, lights, and smaller power tools. Champion has earned a reputation for user-friendly design. Electric push-buttons start with a battery backup for reliability, an easy-to-read control panel, and multiple outlets, including 120/240V options on selected models. The dual-fuel capability allows you to switch over to propane for long-term storage or cleaner burning while keeping gasoline for quick refills. Portability is often managed via integrated handles and a wheel kit, sold or included depending on the retailer. And safety features like low-oil shutoff and covered outlets are standard. This model strikes a solid balance for homeowners who want reliable emergency power without the weight and cost of a full standby system. For users who need a bit more starting headroom and broader wattage for heavier equipment, the Westinghouse 5000 peak-watt dual-fuel portable generator offers a step up. Designed to deliver strong starting power, useful for larger window air conditioners, heavy-duty tools, and more simultaneous loads, Westinghouse's 5000 peak-watt class is popular for midsize households and job site use. The control layout is typically straightforward with a fuel selector, voltmeter, and multiple outlet types for RVs, tools, and home circuits. Westinghouse models are often praised for solid engine design and competitive fuel efficiency. When paired with propane, the stability and storage advantages are especially useful for standby kits. For people who want more headroom than smaller inverter models, but still prefer portability, this Westinghouse dual-fuel option is worth close consideration. If quiet operation, efficiency, and relatively clean power are priorities, especially for sensitive electronics, RV use, or camping, the Champion Power Equipment 4500-watt dual-fuel inverter generator is tailored to those needs. Inverter generators produce cleaner, more stable electricity with lower total harmonic distortion, which protects laptops, smart home devices, and modern appliances. While the 4500 peak-watt rating is slightly lower than some larger conventional sets, the inverter design provides smoother power delivery and often better fuel economy under partial load conditions. Champion's inverter dual-fuel option typically combines electric start convenience, a digital display for runtime and output monitoring, and lightweight portability. The trade-off is that inverter units focused on cleaner power sometimes cost more per watt than conventional generators. But for users who prioritize electronics safety and quieter operation, the investment matters. For large sites, heavy equipment, or backup scenarios that need serious starting and running capacity, the Westinghouse 11000 peak-watt dual-fuel generator represents a high-power choice. With an 11,000-watt peak rating, this unit targets homeowners with multiple high-demand circuits, larger whole-house loads, or off-grid users powering more appliances simultaneously. Generators in this class are often built around robust engines, larger fuel tanks, and reinforced frames. And the dual-fuel option lets you choose propane for prolonged standby without the long-term degradation that gasoline can suffer. While heavier and less portable than smaller units, these high-output generators often include professional features like 120/240V transfer-ready connections, heavy-duty outlets, and rugged wheel kits. For those who want to reduce downtime during storms or run workshop equipment reliably, the Westinghouse 11000 peak model is a workhorse solution. Returning to the value sweet spot for many homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts, The Champion Power Equipment 4750 Watt dual fuel portable generator rate appears again on many buyer lists because of its blend of reliability, availability, and consistent real-world performance. Whether you're buying for emergency readiness, powering an off-grid weekend project, or equipping an RV, this model often checks enough boxes. Intuitive controls, durable engine, fuel flexibility, and a broad accessory ecosystem, battery kits, or optional transfer switches. Champion's strong dealer and warranty networks also make service and parts easier to obtain, which is an underrated advantage when you're planning long-term preparedness. In short, your ideal dual-fuel generator depends on whether you value portability and quiet, clean power. Inverter models like the Champion 4500, balanced mid-range capability for household essentials, Champion 4750 or Westinghouse 5000, or high output for heavier loads and larger backup needs, Westinghouse 11000. Buying a dependable generator from a recognized brand with good service and warranty support helps ensure your investment pays off over years of use. If you'd like, I can build a quick comparison table, calculate an example load plan for your specific appliances, or draft a short shopping checklist and maintenance calendar so you can buy with confidence. Which generator role matters most to you? Weekend camping, emergency home backup, or job site power? And would you like a tailored recommendation based on your typical load list? And that wraps up our look at the best dual-fuel generators available today. If you found this helpful, subscribe, and check the description box for current prices and links to the models we discussed. Thanks for watching, and stay powered up.